way too big. No, put it down. I'm trying.
It's okay.
Ew. It's just a big cucumber. It doesn't kill you. Don't pick it.
Ethan, this is mango. Say mango.
Mango. Yeah, I'll show you what he did. Ding, 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 ding.
Ooh, you did.
Look, he was like this. Ding, ding, ding.
Oh. Sit down before you fall.
Ew, stop the camera's recording. What's wrong with you? Stop.
Yo.
Mommy, Ethan's trying to eat every fruit. I think Ethan's ready to try now.
You ready for fruit eat?
No.
Oh,
You
okay.
can try to bite it. You're like this. You're like that. That's your baby.
Oh, it's a baby cucumber?
No! Scrape it off. It's gonna make a little
Oh,
It's mushy.
it's okay. It's about to be used in a couple minutes.
You really also fast. Smile? No.
Yeah.
Peach.
Give me a couple.
Those are oranges. Stop. You're being recorded. No. People, it's recording. Mommy, you can put your shirt on while the thing's recording.
Stop. Put the shirt down.
Record on my shirt? No, 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 no. Okay.
Alright.
Pineapple. We're gonna see what it looks like. That's Please don't kill me, Mama. Oh my God.
Yeah. If you don't brush it up.
That different color. Oh wow, I'm so pretty. Yeah, I love my hair. Cut me up, Mama. Cut me up. That's the butt side. Whoa, so good. Oh, bah! Bah!
Okay.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Kids are home, my husband's home, TV's on, not gonna mute it. But anyway, so as you saw, I unboxed my Mama juicer. I'm so excited about it. So anyways, I've already prepped the fruits mostly with the kids. I'm going to attempt to make 4 different juices for the week because I'm also gearing myself up for a juice fast, so we'll see. We'll see. So anyways, these are the juices. So this one is blueberry, lemon, apple, and pineapple. This one is cucumber, lemon, apple, pineapple. This is just gonna be an orange juice, and then my daughter wanted a strawberry, mango, pineapple juice.